as you can see, we have the cage on now. I completely quit recording. The last clip I was pretty pissed off because the rear motor mount wasn't wanting to line up and actually go in. So I had to wait until my dad got home. We wound up like not using almost any of the washers for this. I did have to cut both fairings a bit for the crossbar. I just took a Dremel and started cutting and just kind of said whatever, because I'm getting new fairings. So, but it is on, everything is tight, everything is good. But she is a little bit harder to pull up because that is probably about 20 more pounds of weight. But yeah, I will say it was a major bitch to do. I really don't want to have to take it off for my next oil change, which I'm only gonna have to pull off this side, but still it's gonna be shit. After replacing the fuel filters and everything, getting the fuel pump back in, I now, instead of having a fuel light, I have an FI light. And that is because on the fuel pump there's two studs for the fuel pump, or on the fuel pump bracket there is two studs for the fuel pump, and one of them is a hot wire, the other one is another like grounder hot wire. And they had both of the ground wires, because there's like two ground wires on the fuel pump, hooked up, one to the main like assembly, and then the other to the other post. So that was causing it to throw the low fuel light. Now when I put it back together, I wound up putting the other ground just directly onto the assembly. So now I have an FI light instead of a low fuel light, and now it goes in between FI and my temperature. But thankfully everything is back together, everything works. I ran that gear out way too far. God damn it. As soon as I come up, I'm fucking turning the handlebars. I fucking can't. Shit sucks. Bro, I'm starting to get pissed that I'm fucking turning the wheel, man. It's just not fucking working out. Alright guys, I think this will be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to start progressing a lot more, man. So hopefully I can find some lots to actually do some stuff in, and find some days that aren't going to be so fucking windy, so I can actually do safe shit. Because like this wind is just not your friend. Way too much.